Hi, I'm Craig from Motor Moves, and in this video I'm going to review the Merlin Axe motorcycle shirt costing around 230 Australian dollars. You can check out some other reviews at the link shown above, and if you find this review useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. So let's get on with the review. The Merlin Axe textile riding shirt looks like a flannel button-up shirt, but hiding behind this modest look is a high-tech, fully lined Kevlar shirt with CE rated impact armour. I've worn this shirt a lot in summer and into autumn with my motorcycle jeans, as it has a casual look, it's comfortable, it's not too hot, and offers a reasonable level of protection. The Axe shirt is a 100% fully lined Kevlar shirt, which offers great abrasion resistance in a slide. It also has a mesh lining to give it a comfortable feel and help with air circulation. It also comes with a large back pocket, which is 41 centimeters long and 30 centimeters wide. That will support an optional back protector that is sold separately. Note that the shirt comes with a foam pad, but this is not impact rated. A back protector like the C-Soft KN size 106 from Revit can be had for $80, well worth the peace of mind. As far as the armour goes, it's okay, but the shirt doesn't have any adjustments to ensure that it doesn't move around. I suppose that isn't in keeping with the style of the shirt. Because of this, and not offering a real back protector, I've had to mark it down a bit on safety. The shirt is zipped up with metal YKK zippers and with solid press stud buttons and an overlapping section in keeping with the flannel look. The sleeves also zip up and have press stud buttons with two size settings. It also has press studs on the collars, which will stop them flapping around in the wind. The shirt comes with two chest pockets, again with press stud buttons. And there's a large pocket internally, which is closed by Velcro. The shirt also has a jacket to pants connection zipper. I understand that the zipper is compatible with the Merlin motorcycle jeans. The Axe also has a press stud loop strap, so it can be connected to trousers which do not have to have a compatible zipper connection. This is a really nice feature to include, as it stops the shirt riding up in a slide. Good job, Merlin. The shirt is water repellent with a Huntsman water repellent coating. I haven't worn this shirt in the rain, so I can't really attest to the water repellent effectiveness out on the road. Putting it under a tap, most of the water runs off, but still expect to get wet. This is quite a heavy shirt with all that Kevlar, so when it's wet, it's going to weigh a ton. There are several colours available: blue, red, grey and green. So regarding the sizing, these shirts are a bit big for the label size. I'm wearing a medium where I'd normally wear a large. I've been wearing this shirt over summer and into the autumn, and I'd recommend it. I'd give it a 7 out of 10 for a casual look, as it goes well with jeans, 6 out of 10 for safety, and a 7 out of 10 for price. Overall, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I hope you have liked this brief review. You can check out some other content at these links. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this channel. I'd appreciate if you could leave any comments below about this shirt. If you have anything else you would like to share, particularly about your experiences with the Merlin Axe shirt or any of the Merlin line of gear, I'd appreciate it. I'll try to respond to any comments you leave. Thanks.